started, please. Hello. Hello. Welcome to the second ESCoE workshop on progress in economic measurement. It's my great pleasure to introduce the two speakers today. If we think of one of the purposes of ESCoE is to foster a dialogue between people working in national statistical offices and the academic community, and I think both speakers in some ways are very good examples of it from different sides. So starting with Dale, I don't think he needs very much introduction. Everybody knows his work on productivity and growth. Dale's work has been the foundation of most of the work that myself and in the work on ESCoE and World Cleanse have done in measuring productivity and growth. But what I'd like to emphasise with Dale is somebody who has always been talking to people in national statistical offices, debating with them, not necessarily always agreeing with them, but has influenced the way economic statistics has developed over many years. Rachel, on the other hand, is somebody who works in the National Statistical Office, having done her PhD at the University of Chicago. Rachel has been working for 10 years at the Bureau of Economic Analysis. Rachel, I've known Rachel for many years, not as long as I've known Dale, but I've met her at various conferences. Rachel attends a lot of academic conferences, is a very enthusiastic participant, very vocal participant in those, and again illustrates this dialogue between people in national statistical offices and the academic community through her participation. In her own words, Rachel describes her work as adding stuff to GDP. So she looks at the feasibility of adding stuff to GDP. So Rachel is going to first talk about, we had a fascinating seminar on Friday where Rachel talked about household production as an area of adding stuff to GDP, and now she's going to talk about free content. And then Rachel will talk for half an hour, then Dale will talk about production and welfare, and we've had a great conversation with Dale today about his work on welfare, and I think we're in for a real treat here as well. So start with Rachel.
Thank you everyone for coming.